Hello guys, welcome back to Genie. Today I'm going to show you how to fix black screen, crashing, and 0 FPS issues on Eden Emulator. Alright, let's fix it step by step. First, make sure your emulator is updated. If you're using an old version of Eden, many newer games won't run properly, so always use the latest build. Next, go to Emulation Configuration Graphics. Now switch your API. If you're using OpenGL, try Vulkan. If Vulkan is already selected, switch back to OpenGL. Some games work better on different APIs, so test both. Now check your GPU drivers. Go to Device Manager, Display Adapters, right-click your GPU and update the driver. Outdated drivers are a major cause of black screen and 0 FPS issues. Next, force high-performance GPU. Go to Windows Settings, System Display, Graphics Settings, add the Eden Emulator, then set it to high performance. Still not fixed? Clear cache files. Open the Eden folder, go to Roaming, and delete the shader cache and cache folders. Then restart the emulator. Now try switching modes. In Settings, toggle between docked mode and handheld mode and test the game again. If the issue continues, install the latest firmware. Go to Tools. Install firmware. Select your firmware file zip or folder and install it. Also update your prod.keys file in the keys folder. Make sure keys and firmware versions match. After updating everything, restart the emulator and launch the game again. One of these steps should fix black screen crashes and low FPS. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Genie.